Are my sandals, and I noticed my heels are not, they're off center far. They on the leaning to the outside. So I got a couple of pieces, you see there upper left, of air contubing insulation foam rubber. It's also a closed cell, so they don't sort of get wet. It doesn't absorb water. And contact glue there again, sandpapered first to make the surfaces a bit clean. Now I'm going to put in a few minutes, put these con rubber things onto the shoes, and then we see tomorrow how it works. See if we can get some focus here. Here we are, yeah. So here they are in place now. Let's see if I can point. It's a bit difficult. There's one, and there's another one. They look big here, but they're pretty soft. So I tried them before without gluing them in place, and that seems to be the right thickness. Yeah, shoes maybe, sandals maybe a bit better.